Hi, welcome everyone. I'm just gonna open 6 packets today. See how they go. Last few of them I opened, I didn't get much. So let's see. La Vesta, Rowlet, Bunnelby, Small Live, Volcarona, Poltergeist, Toadscrew, Scyther, Holdino, Palafin, Basic Energy, and here's your code. Come on, people, wish me luck. There are so many Charizards in this set, and I want to see if I get one. Small Live again, Pidgey, Combi, Varoom, Lycanroc, Probopass, Linoon, Cleffa, Lantern, Thunderous, Basic Energy, and here's your code card. I was wondering, do you people collect? Do you guys collect? Like, do you collect every card in the pack? I know some of you collect. Well, most of you that watch this collect. Do you collect everything from 1 to all the way to the end? Because I do that. I collect every card, even the common ones, not just the rare ones. I collect the common ones as well. Because it's supposed to be a full set, so I collect the full set. And I've been watching someone called Alexis Elders who just popped up on my feed. Froakie, Aramaka, Uziel, Umbreon. Oh, so many people are after that card, or the Moonbreon card. Oh yes! Oh yes! Woohoo! This is a very, very rare card. People are after it. Toxicity. Let me sleeve it. Check it out. Look at this beauty. Sorry my camera isn't very clear. I'm recording on my phone. It says 208197. Thank you. Well, I still have 2 more packs left to go. Darumaka, Buziel, Sweet, Magnemite, Gumshoes, Popita, Terrichick, Arven, Honsley, Reva, Vroom. Let me just organize this. That's an EX card right there. The last pack magic. If I believe in it, I do. Let's hope it works. Magnemite, La Vesta, Rowlet, Bunnelby, Dartrix, Oinkolong, Slazzle, Bishop, Toxel, Darkrai. Oh, that's it, Darkrai. Basic Energy. I'm sorry about the bad quality of the camera or the phone, but I need to get it fixed. I'll get a new phone in October, so you just have to bear with me for a while. Thank you.